What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I create a poster design for boxing champion KSI. So guys, before we get started with the video, I would just like to quickly thank bookmark.com for sponsoring the video. If you don't know already, Bookmark is hands down one of the easiest and coolest website builders out there, letting you create your own personal website, whether that be a design portfolio or an online store, in the matter of minutes. It uses an AI website builder, which means you can create a site with no technical knowledge. If this does interest you, make sure you head over to bookmark.com and you can find more information on how to get started there.
Charming to me, I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need